Tell us your name.
God's power, Saturday.
Where would they so? What did happen for here?
Over now, they won't preach. The building and they work, not they work. They just blocked this place. They let that place broke. So I just suffering for this community for less than 30 years.
So what will be the solution now?
The solution, let government come and help us.
What did the company do about it now?
The company try to open another bridge. The first one they blocked, they want to open it. Let the other one to the floor. The other one to already break the slab.
Okay. Thank you. Tell us your name.
My name is Vincent Obazbani.
What did they do?
I'm a driver.
Assistant on the load for here.
Yes.
What happened?
When I call this morning, I think the BGS collapsed. There's no way to cross. That's why we are looking here.
So how people from Asabana till they go back to Ugeli, Ozoro and all this
They
other
are
areas?
doing crossover, cross country. When they drop there, we cross over, we carry them from there. Then when we drop people here, so that people will cross.
What they take cross? Can you be able to have been out?
And leg.
Okay, they'll take like to Waka pass. Okay, so they take what you?
Flexible.
Okay, what they take cross?
By they are crossed by leg.
Okay, by your leg. Okay,
That's flexible.
okay. Thank you. How the business company now for here?
The people as well as we see now, the people as well collapse now. No more. Just divided there. Everybody here now.
But I just said again now from Asaba to Ozoro 515. Now they carry for here to Ozoro 15.
Now 1.5 now. We know the back there. We can stay almost to 2.
And for reduce the money now.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Bros, please introduce yourself to us.
My name is Collins Ajidue.
Where are we?
From Ogwash.
Okay, where are we?
We are at Iyugu in Ogwash.
What happened to this bridge?
And suddenly, the level of the work they are doing, the load collapsed during the raining time.
Which part of the road? Is it the old existing road or the new one you're constructing?
The old road,
Okay, the old bridge collapsed.
yes.
Okay. So what about are they doing now to?
They are trying to find the old one, to tie the water to the old one so that they can clear the other side that collapsed. So we want to clear the other side.
Okay, when did this happen?
Happened, let me say, towards around 3 yesterday.
Yesterday. Thank you very much.